Definitely my parents. In Vietnam, it's normal for parents to give their children names. At first, my grandparents intended to give me another name, but then my mom and dad decided that my name would be Giác since it is a nice one. In Vietnam, every name has a special meaning and it depends on some wishes of the parents. My name is Giác. Its Vietnamese meaning is a blissful house. When my parents gave me that name, they wanted that my family would be happy forever. I will be a liar if I say I hate my name. I love it so much because it is a present from my parents whom I love most. Moreover, it has a strong attachment to my memories and awards when I was a student at my secondary and high school. From my perspective, no one changes their name. My name is very unique and meaningful, so of course, I have never thought of changing it. In addition, because it is extremely difficult to change one's name in my country, I do not bother to do so. It's not simple to change our name in my country since we have to overcome a lot of complicated procedures and prepare necessary documents. From my perspective, I do not recommend that people change their names because it is time and effort consuming. If people want to have a new name, they can create their own nickname. For example, my name is Giác, but my nickname is J, and I think it's a nice one.